A trendline breakout trading strategy is a popular technical analysis approach used by traders to identify potential entry and exit points in the market. It involves drawing trend lines on a price chart and waiting for the price to break through these lines, signaling a potential change in trend or continuation of an existing trend. Below is a step-by-step guide to implementing a trendline breakout trading strategy. Step 1. Identify the trend. Uptrend asterisk. Draw a trend line by connecting higher lows. The trend line acts as support. Downtrend asterisk. Draw a trend line by connecting lower highs. The trend line acts as resistance. Sideways, ranging market asterisk. Draw horizontal trend lines connecting highs and lows. Step 2. Confirm the trend line. Ensure the trend line is valid by connecting at least 2 significant price points, preferably 3 or more for stronger confirmation. The more times the price touches the trend line without breaking it, the stronger the trend line becomes. Step 3. Wait for the breakout. A breakout occurs when the price closes above a downtrend line, resistance, or below an uptrend line, support. Use candlestick patterns or volume spikes to confirm the breakout. For example, a strong bullish candle breaking above resistance. A strong bearish candle breaking below support. Increased trading volume during the breakout adds credibility. Step 4. Enter the trade. Long position asterisk. Enter a buy order when the price breaks above a downtrend line or resistance level. Short position asterisk. Enter a sell order when the price breaks below an uptrend line or support level. Use a stop loss order to manage risk. Place the stop loss just below the breakout point for a long trade or above the breakout point for a short trade. Step 5. Set a profit target. Use technical tools like Fibonacci extensions, previous support, resistance levels, or a risk-reward ratio, e.g., 2, 1 or 3, 1, to determine your profit target. Alternatively, trail your stop loss to lock in profits as the trend continues. Step 6. Manage risk. Risk management is critical. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Avoid false breakouts by waiting for a confirmed close above or below the trend line. Key considerations. 1. False breakouts asterisk. Sometimes the price may break the trend line but quickly reverse. 2. Avoid false signals. Wait for a confirmed close beyond the trend line. Use additional indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD to confirm momentum. 2. Time frames asterisk. Trendline breakouts can be applied to any time frame, but higher time frames, e.g., daily or weekly, tend to provide more reliable signals. 3. Market context asterisk. Consider the overall market context, such as news events or economic data, which may impact price movements. Example scenario. Uptrend breakout asterisk. If the price is in an uptrend and breaks below the trend line, it may signal a potential reversal or pullback. Enter a short position with a stop loss above the breakout point. Downtrend breakout asterisk. If the price is in a downtrend and breaks above the trend line, it may signal a potential reversal or rally. Enter a long position with a stop loss below the breakout point. Tools to enhance the strategy. Moving averages asterisk. Use a moving average, e.g., 50 period or 200 period, to confirm the trend direction. Volume indicators asterisk. Higher volume during a breakout increases the likelihood of a valid breakout. Oscillators asterisk. Use RSI or MACD to identify overbought, oversold conditions and confirm momentum. By combining trendline breakouts with proper risk management and confirmation tools, traders can